Good morning, peeps. Good afternoon, peeps, whatever time you're looking at this. So I wanted to do one really quick other demonstration using 1 point perspective using a pencil so that people who have pencil and paper can get an idea of how to do this. So the first thing, of course, you start with, let's just start with a block letter. And I'm going to put 2 letters down that might be complicated to some people. So again, I'm doing my block letter. By now, I'm hoping that you guys have a good handle on block letters. Okay. I'm not doing anything fancy, as you can see. Nothing fancy schmancy. And I guess I'm just going to do a K, because Ks have some nice diagonals that you might have to deal with. And I'll do an S, because S is just, a lot of people get confused about S's, Okay. My K is a little funky, but I'll do a little S because it's very curvature-y. All right, not the best. Not my best look. I'll do a C too. Okay. So I am going to do all of these letters in 1 point perspective. All right, so RKSC means nothing. Start with my horizon line, okay? I use inches because I'm old. All right, try to make it even. Okay, now horizon line can be on top or it can be on bottom. It doesn't matter. We'll do 2 of each. How's that? R and K go up here, SC go up here. Okay, so now I'm going to do my 1 point. Now I could put it anywhere. I can put it here, I can put it there, I can put it here. I'll put it over here. So that's my vanishing point. Now I hold my ruler, and I just go from the ruler to anywhere where it meets. You see how it meets my R right there? Let me make it closer. There we go. All right, so you see how that horizon line meets the R right there. Okay, so let's do that thing. So I'm going to bring a diagonal line up to there. And see, I just kind of use it like a windshield wiper, kind of, Oh, there's a little place where it goes. I'm going to use that. Now, of course, I don't do this one because it overlaps the letter. And where it overlaps the letter, you don't have to do it. So let's see. Up. There's a nice little corner. I'm going to do my line to here. And I'm just going to skip that so it doesn't get complicated. Boop. Okay. And here too. Sorry, K. Unfortunately, the K is getting in the way. Let's see if this pencil's a little nicer. Okay. Now I have another point right here. You see where it goes in right there? Yeah. And you might be thinking, well, what about that round part here? Well, if it's round, I just kind of go in the middle. Okay? Like so. Okay? Now I have that going. Now, what do? I'm going to use a red pencil so you can see it better. Or a blue, or a purple. Okay. See this line here? I copy it right next to it. Copy it exactly. See this line right here? I copy it up here. The same fatness, more or less. See? And it just goes to that. See this line here? This line, this curvy line? Well, I'm going to make it easy for myself. I'm going to do this here. Copy it to there. See? Boop. And you see this line here? I copy it to there. And they go right to the diagonal, no farther, okay? See how cool that is? Here. And then I copy this line here over here. And I copy this line here over there. Now I have my R, okay? Let's do the K. Let's try to erase some of this so it doesn't get in the way here. Same thing. Okay. One more time. I'll use the same point because why not? Let's share it. Okay. See how I'm going just to the points there, okay? I just pull up. Here I don't see it, so I don't need to do it. Nope, don't need to do it. Okay. Here's another. Yay. And this one, this one, yes. See, this one is just pretty much the same curvature. I mean, it's the same diagonal, so I don't need to do that one. And the good news about perspective, like I said before, is that if it looks wrong, it is wrong. Our eyes naturally see perspective correctly. All right. Simple, simple, simple. Now, let's do this thing. Okay. So, I'm going to copy this line here, up here. Exactly, okay? Don't go in or out, just exactly the same, okay? This line here to here. This line here, well, to there. This line here to here. This line here. This line to that line. And now our K is all done wonderfully. Okay. So, let me just fill that in a little bit there. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do a couple more. I'm going to do the S to here and the C to here so they don't overlap each other, okay? So I have 2 vanishing points, one for each letter because they don't want to share. Now, this is an easy one because it goes right on that edge. See, the edge of the S. But this one is like, what? Where do I put it? Oh my goodness. Right there. You see where I hold my ruler and then I just go until it touches it. See? Right where it touches it. See how I did that? I'll do it one more time. Hold the ruler on the vanishing point and just bring it down until you find the tip of that curve. And that's where you pull the diagonal. See? Like that. Okay, I'm going to do one here. No, I don't have one there. I don't have one on this side because I don't see that side. Now it's the same here with this part of the S. This part of the S I do see. So I'm going to do the same thing. Pull it until it hits the edge. And then pull a diagonal there. Remember what I told you to do if you have the curve. I always just put it in the middle of a curve. But this one goes in. So I'm going to kind of use this as a point as well. Okay. Voila. All right. And then I'm going to do in the middle here, just to keep me organized. Okay. Let's do it. Copy this line exactly. Boop, 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 boop. Okay. Copy this line exactly, even though it's curvy. Copy it exactly. Copy this line exactly. Same fatness. Now this takes some practice, okay? Not everybody sees, okay, and then this is the hard one, okay? It goes up here. I have to copy that exactly. Okay. Now my S is done. All right. Let me do the C really quickly and rock and roll. Then I just go to the curve, to the tip of the curve, and then voila. I think that's kind of it. Okay. Again, same thing. Copy this curve between the 2 diagonals. I didn't copy it exactly. If you don't copy it exactly, it doesn't look right. Now I have to copy this curve here. Like that. Alrighty then. That's how you do it with pencil and paper, okay? Enjoy, have fun. It is kind of fun, and it's kind of frustrating all at the same time. Okay, bye.